I feel like I'm Superman or something. What's up? In today's episode we are like disassembling the rest of the things from my mk3 GTI. Oh shit, that's good. Exhaust, but imagine swapping all of what I took out of the Golf to Jetta, like transmission, engine, suspension. I think Jetta is a bit lighter. It would totally be like super quick car, but we're not gonna do it. But I'm still thinking if I should do the merch, like Gorilla Project car close or something like that. Let me know what you think about it, because I honestly need someone's advice and opinion. Super dirty. Okay, exhaust right here, and car is almost naked. I'm not going to remove anything else before rotating it, so let's try to rotate it. I feel like I'm Superman. I feel like I'm Superman or something. Wow, this episode was super short because it's already done. I disassembled everything from the car, it's on the rotisserie, it's rotated. So I'm gonna show you the rust places that I found, and we're gonna end the episode. Okay, first of all, I had this repaired a few years ago, and there's rust here. I don't like the way it looks here, so I think I'm gonna just redo that thing. The new rust place I found is right here. It's under the floor. See? It's on the floor, and this thing, I think it has to be cut and welded, like here, in there as well. This we will clean, and the rest we will also clean, like everything, take all the like heat shields, and then we're gonna rotate the car and to the other side and deal with this part. Okay, then there is rust at the end of the car. I'm gonna show you, because why not? And well, it's a surface rust right here. This bracket has to come off so we can clean everything under it and see if it needs anything. Like, I want to take care of all the rust on this car. And then this place looks nasty, but I don't think it's gonna be that bad once we clean it. Otherwise, it's really clean for 1993 Volkswagen. This thing is awesome. It didn't rust here. This is still factory. it didn't rust. It had surface rust. It was cleaned off and primed. Right here, I think I don't even need to re-undercoat this area. Maybe here something is happening. Like, I'm not sure. But since we are here, we have to take a look at what is going on here. I'm so excited about this car. Nice. No rust here, no rust anywhere here. This thing is clean. And if you wonder how the hell did I get such a clean Mark III, this car will be 30 years old next year. Oh shit, me too. Huh. This car is imported from Italy, so they don't have winters like we do in Poland, so they don't use salt on the streets, probably. I've never been, but it's very clean, so it's gonna be a very good project. It's an awesome chassis, awesome to redo because it's just perfect. Alright, so enough talking. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!